Assalamualaikum students. I hope you are doing well. Today we learn textbook Leap into Language page number 6. In page number 6, first writing skills. Remember that a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Students में वो कह रहे हैं remember याद रखें कि sentence हमेशा का जो first letter होता है वो क्या होता है capital start होता है और end with a full stop और sentence के last पे हमेशा क्या full stop लगाते हैं. Students, you have next activity. Complete the poem by choosing the most suitable word that rhymes with the underlined word. Students, ये कह रहे हैं ये नीचे आपको एक poem दी गई है और जो underline word किए हैं उससे नीचे next line पे आपको उससे उसका rhyming word write करना है. Just like as once upon a time, I caught a little rat. I set it on the floor. But it ran out of the dash. Hand के door, floor, door. So we write door. We know na कि rhyming words are the words that have the same or similar ending sound. So the ending sound of the floor and door are the same na. I caught it by the tail, but it turned into a dash. Tail, ship, whale. Tail, whale. So we write whale. Then it grew into a kite. And flew far out of my dash. Kite, hand ke side. Kite, side. So we write side. Along with this lesson, we also read workbook Leap into a Language, page number 11. In page number 11, words for dictations. Students, open your page number 2. They give words for dictations. List 1, words for dictations. They are the words for dictations. You write these words on the boxes given on the page number 11. So our first word is buildings. ब-अ-ई-ला बिल. इसमें की साउंड क्या है? साइलेंट हो रही है. ब-अ-ई-ला बिल. ड-इ-ना-गा-सा डिंग्स. बिल्डिंग्स. स की जगह ज की साउंड प्रोनाउंस हो रही है. बिल्डिंग्स. अंडर. अंडर. ग-र-ओ-अ-न-ड. ग्राउंड. अंडरग्राउंड. ख-र-ओ-व. क्रो. ड-डिड. crowded. M-E-double-L-E-O-N-S. Millions. M-E-double-L-E-O-N-S. Millions. D-E for diff. F-E-R. N-T-Ent. Different. क्या? Different. Worried. Worried. Happened. Import. Important. Again, next word is anger. Anger. This is all about of our lecture. I hope you can understand it very well. Okay, thank you.